Riggins, come here. Say, it's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. What are you doing? Are you dancing in the rain? Dancing in the rain. Dancing in the rain. Dancing in the rain. Dancing in the rain. Huh? You like it? You like playing in the rain? It's raining. Riggins, come here. Look, we're under the umbrella. Be careful. Riggins. It's raining. Isn't this what you wanted? It's raining. It's pouring. What's up, everyone? Yeah, I'm just sitting here with my chunk-a-monk, and we're eating some junk food. Dropped it. You're bye-byes. You're bye-byes. We're watching Puppy Dog Pals. You bye-byes. I love you. It's just a rainy, lazy day. We're enjoying it, aren't we? Yes, we are. We're enjoying it. Yeah. You have anything to say to the world? Dada. Dada. Seal. Don't do that. Don't show your food. Don't show your food. Dada is coming to see us. Does it help that our junk food contains the word veggie in it? Does that make it better? You love snacks? Is it normal for babies at... How old are you? December, January, February, March, April. $17 months. Again, you're almost a year and a half. Can you believe that? Can you believe it? I can't. This time, 2 years ago, let me think. Let me not confuse myself. This time, 2 years ago, we were just getting ready to tell your Gigi and Papa that you were coming into the world. Yeah. And then this time a year ago, you went to church for the first time on Easter. Hard to believe, I know. and reach for the sky. This is gonna be a short Target haul. I needed something for Riggins for Easter to wear, and I came across this really cute, I think you call it like a, well, it's like a jumpsuit. And it looks a little different than it did in the picture, so I still love it. I thought, let me just show it to you here. Over the camera, and it may be like that on my camera too, but this looked more like blue jean, and here, once I get it home, it actually looks kind of green. I don't know if you can tell in my camera, but anyway, so this is a 3T, and this is one thing I hate about ordering online. I just really don't know. It looks really long, but I don't know, I'll probably have to wash it, and I think that it will fit in good. So we're gonna try some Easter pictures in that. I really wanted some overalls for him, just some little shorts to wear this summer and spring. This I got in a 2T because overalls are so different, and a lot of times they're long and just kind of like this. And I didn't want it to be like really long in the crotch on him. Anyways, I think I'm probably gonna have to send these back because the short part is short. And but I don't know, they might end up fitting him perfect. And then I couldn't resist. I saw this, and I had to get this little acid wash denim shirt. I thought it was so cute. I thought it'd be cute with just this spring, and even if you added like a bright springy colored shirt and under it or something, I just thought it would be really pretty this spring. Of course, we love anything denim. Here's an update on the overalls. They fit stinking perfect. So that makes me think my little Easter. So now I'm thinking that I'm gonna have to send my other ones back, but I'm excited that so tonight we decided that it was gonna be taco night, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get my meat started first. I went ahead and turned my pan on medium-high heat with a little bit of olive oil. And I threw my hamburger meat in there. I normally get 80-20. I'm going to break all of that up here. And then I am just going to put some seasoning on it. After my hamburger meat's cooked, I go ahead and add my 2/3 cup of water and some taco mix seasoning. I mix this up really good and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, and then it's ready to go. Veggies are pre-rinsed. Here I'm just using my scissors to cut up some cilantro. I have a little bit of romaine lettuce I'm cutting up, and then I'm going to slice up some Roma tomatoes. That'll be really good for the tacos. I had multiple avocados that I wanted to slice up. As you can see here, this first one I had a hard time with. I realized these were not ripe, so I put them aside, cut up what I could, added some shredded cheese to my platter. corn tortillas, and I'm just frying them a little bit to soften them in the oil before I put my meat and cheese on them. Then I'm going to put them back in the oil and deep fry them for a few minutes on each side until they turn golden brown. After brown, I place each shell on a paper napkin to drain. That's pretty cool, ain't it? Look. We've got our first visitor, guys. First visitor of the season.
What is it?
A frog.
Oh.
Pretty busy day. We played in the rain. I got some work done. I got my video uploaded. It's already 10 o'clock and it doesn't feel late. It feels like it should be 8 o'clock. So I colored my hair, if anyone has noticed, since some of my last videos, and I plan on making a video coloring it. I just haven't got that far yet. And maybe tomorrow or something you can actually see it fixed and not just a mess. Because when I'm at home, this is what I do. I don't do nothing. I'm comfortable. I'm so comfortable. I don't put on any makeup. These are eyelashes that I've had on for, I think, 3 days now. And yeah, it's what I like. It's what feels good. So I'm just going to play with rigs, and I probably will go to bed early tonight. Did anyone see the supermoon? Hey, we went out earlier, and I don't know, I'm sure it's because it's cloudy where we live, but we can't see it. I'm so disappointed. I love to see the moon and the just different things that happens, the comets and meteor showers and all of that. My dad even called to remind me that it was happening tonight, and so I really wanted to try to see it, but I don't know. I'm kind of disappointed. Maybe I'll walk back out there here in a minute and see what we can see. I love this boy so much. Do you know that? Do you know that I love you? You have something sticking on your eye. I love you. I love you more than anything in the world. Yes, I do. You're so cute. I don't know why you like chewing on those. We're not going to be able to see it, Riggs. Oh, the lights in the clouds. If anyone got to see the moon, can you send us some pictures? It's so frustrating, isn't it? Yeah, we're up and we look. I also think I was supposed to have it at 8:30, and it's after 10 now, so I think that's something to do with it too. Let's go.